In this video, I will walk you through the ultimate showdown between MuseScore and Dorico to help you decide which music notation software is right for your workflow. Choosing between these two is often a choice between a powerful community-driven free tool and a high-end professional powerhouse. MuseScore has seen massive improvements with the release of version 4, offering a stunning interface and high-quality playback through Muse sounds that rival many paid libraries. It is incredible for hobbyists, students, and educators because there is no financial barrier to entry, and the learning curve is much friendlier for those just starting out. On the other hand, Dorico is widely considered the gold standard for speed and engraving quality in the professional world. Developed by the team behind the original Sibelius, it uses a unique semantic approach to music where the logic of the score is handled automatically. This means you spend far less time dragging items around the page and more time actually composing. While Dorico comes with a significant price tag, its ability to handle complex orchestral scores and condensed layouts is currently unmatched. If you want a flexible and free tool that works great for most projects, MuseScore is hard to beat.